This is my operational video for my final project for my EE514 design of digital circuits. Okay, I already have my program, which is a soundbox program. It has already been synthesized, implemented, and the bit stream has been generated and programmed into my field programmable gate array. So the power, this is the switch that enables the power out to the PMOD amp 2, which will give me sound. I have an oscilloscope over here where I have the R2 unit to look at the analog signal coming out, and the I have two headphones, a set of headphones to listen to the sound coming out. What we'll do first is we're going to go through the switches and we'll look at the resets, and then we'll go through the buttons with the timers, and then I'll look at some of the interesting things I found in the programming. So first, we notice that we really don't get anything. Seems like I'm getting I believe this is due to on the oscilloscope I'm getting a DC signal, and I believe that is due to the charge of changing the way I dealt with one of my issues with getting the unsigned decimal not coming out of the analog digital converters. I had to basically bring everything to positive, and I believe that's causing that positive signal coming out of the analog circuit. But once we turn on the power, the first one is our square wave. As you hit the reset, resets everything, it goes off. The second one is our integer value sine wave. You hit the reset button, goes off. The third one is my IP generated sine, or IP core generated sine wave. You hit the reset button. That's interesting. The frequency seems to be the same, but the sound somewhat different. There we go. That is the IP core generated. Now the buttons, I have button 1, button 2, and button 3. They're to generate the same, the square wave, integer wave, and IP core generate wave, but they'll do it for 2,000 milliseconds or 2 seconds after the release of the button. Now, one of the things that I noticed is that it went through a number of different iterations. The first iteration was trying to have the control circuit generate them. That didn't work out so well, so my final iteration actually had all of the signals being generated unless reset value was enabled, and then I had a selector program that selected based on the switch and the button between the three types of waves, and used a concurrent if statement to do that. But it went from button A to button B to button C to switch A to switch B to switch C, and I found that there was a hierarchical progression to where the first one, if that condition was true, it would take that over all the others. So if I had selected, say, a switch C, and then immediately after that push button A, the button A signal would take priority over the system, and I'll demonstrate that now. There's switch C, and I hit button A, You see it goes to square wave for 2 seconds and then goes back. Guess that's just a consequence of the programming. And that is the conclusion to my demonstration for my soundbox program for my EE51433 final project. Thank you.